Hey everyone, I'm Doug Theo, the Director of Education for Danger Jones, and I'd like to welcome you to the most exciting launch of 2025, Danger Jones Artistic Toners. Today I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know about our three artistic toners, Cool Blonde, Violet Blonde, and Silver. And I'll show you exactly how to use them for amazing results every time. But first, we should start with the two most important questions. First, what is an artistic toner? Danger Jones artistic toners are progressive, which means that the longer you let them process, the deeper their tone will be. Because they are alkaline, they will lift the hair while toning, which will eliminate any underlying warmth, unevenness, or banding from the lightening process. Also, because they're alkaline, they'll last longer. You'll want to reach for an artistic toner for bleach and tone color services and gray blending techniques. Second, how are they different than gloss toners? Danger Jones gloss toners are non-progressive. They stop processing after 10 minutes. They're acidic and they won't lift the hair, which allows you to maintain dimension after highlighting their hair. You'll want to reach for gloss toners for glossing, low lighting, shadow rooting, any dimensional color, and gray blending techniques. And with these two key basics covered, we're ready to dive in a little deeper. Starting with the shades. There are three colors: Cool Blonde, Violet Blonde, and Silver. Cool Blonde will cancel out brassiness so that your client will get that cool, naturally balanced blonde that everybody wants these days. Violet Blonde kicks it up a notch. It powerfully cancels out unwanted yellow tones and will get you that icy blonde look. And because it's violet toned, when you put it on a level 10, you get that chilled, soft lavender vibe on the hair. So Cool Blonde will definitely get you a cool tone, but with a more naturally balanced blonde, while Violet Blonde will get you the icy blonde tone that you're looking for. And then we have Silver. If you're after a cool silvery finish, this will be your go-to. It gives you that soft metallic tone and neutralizes unwanted warmth for a perfectly even result. These three shades can be used on their own, or you can mix them together to create a custom color that's just right for your client. For example, if you need a little extra warmth cancellation when creating your silver, adding violet to your silver artistic toner will give you that perfect combination. Now that you're familiar with the shades, let's talk about how to mix them. Mix your artistic toners with our Danger Jones 5-Volume Deluxe Cream Developer. For best result, we recommend starting with 1 part toner to 2 parts developer. But if you prefer a softer color deposit, you can always change the ratio to 1 to 3. You are in control. And that leads us to processing time, where it's all about control. We already discussed that these toners are progressive, so the longer you leave them on, the deeper the colors will be. For example, if you process for 5 minutes, you'll have a softer, more subtle result than if you process for 20 minutes, giving you a richer, deeper result. And it's as simple and easy as that to customize and perfect every blonde that sits in your chair. But before we go, let me touch on just a couple of frequently asked questions that we want to make sure you have the answers to. Which developer should you use? You'll always want to use our 5-volume developer, since it's specifically formulated to work with our artistic toners, giving you the best consistency and color result. Using a different developer or volume can have an effect on the outcome. Do you need to shampoo them out? Yes, these toners are oxidative, so once you've let them process, be sure to rinse thoroughly and shampoo to remove any excess toner. Can you use these toners over semi-permanent colors? No. We recommend toning first with artistic toners, then applying semi-permanent colors after. Since our toners are alkaline, they can create a great base canvas for your semi-permanent shades, and they won't interfere with their deposit. Just be sure to completely shampoo your toners out and apply your semis to clean, dry hair. Do they have a bonder inside them? Yes. What makes these toners even better is the fact that we've added a bonding complex. This helps strengthen the hair while you're toning. Plus, our toners are enriched with aloe vera, jojoba oil, and chia oil to hydrate and protect the color from fading. And with that, you're all set to get started with our brand new Cool Blonde, Violet Blonde, and Silver artistic toners.